Hello guys, good day. Welcome to the Italo Industries product introduction. Now I will introduce the two pieces. 18H 5-pin Austrian Highness Vise. Interface 2018 to 2024 years flat connector Ford Mustang GT. It's made of ABS material. It has the best quality. Would you like to test it out? We have already stock for you. If you choose your favorite product, that you can directly order them on our company website, Italo Industries. We come with some gifts and stickers for you. If you need anything, let me know. We're very glad to serve you. Good luck. Goodbye.